How to apply for a BDO savings account. The first thing you have to do is just open up any preferred web browser that you can use and head directly to BDO.com's official website. Or you can also use the BDO online banking application via your mobile phone. Once you're here, just head directly to this option here that says apply, and make sure that before applying to a savings account on BDO, make sure that you have necessary requirements available on hand. So as you can see, you can go ahead and choose on passbook savings, ATM savings, and Kabayan Peso savings. So say for example, you would like to have an ATM savings. Just click on open an account, and then this site will provide you necessary informations like the requirements for you to be able to apply successfully without any problem. Now you could also try to go to the physical store nearest on your location for you to be able to just hand over all the necessary requirements, then they'll be the ones to process it. So these are going to be the accepted IDs that you can go ahead and pass. So again, fill out the online form, upload a photo of your two valid IDs with a signature and yourself holding a valid ID, and meet a video representative via Zoom video call for account opening evaluation, and make your initial deposit online or at the branch. So that's it. It only takes like 10 to 20 minutes to complete the process. That's how you apply for a BDO savings account.